let's go in the greenhouse. Whew. It's nice in here, nice and dry. It is raining out. It's wet, cold. We're sitting at 50 degrees in the greenhouse. It's a cold greenhouse. There's no heat on in here. Sometimes if the sun comes out, it gets up to around 100 degrees. Depends on how much sun we get. But yeah, we're gonna plant some peppers today. Went down, found some peppers. They just came out at the local greenhouse, and so I grabbed a whole bunch. I didn't plant pepper seeds this year because I wanted to try a whole lot of different ones. And we got the jalapeno, the poblano, the serrano. This is just your basic red hot chili pepper. And we got a gypsy and an Anaheim. So that's what we're going with. I got my pots sitting right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Underneath that hanging basket there is my number 6. So we are going to pot these up. We'll get my drill out and get going. Let's find my drill. Here's my auger. Put that in my pocket. You guys don't have one of these augers. I mean, on Amazon, they're like 15 bucks. These are beautiful. Super easy. I'll bring you in closer, get a close up of this action. Easy as that. Do another. All right, set you up over here and we will grab some peppers. Red hot chili over here. Oh, you know what I want to get first before I get started? I want to put some new fertilizer in. Y'all know I love my Osmocote. This is number 6 month. It is a 15-9-12 mix. Brand new, just bought it. So we're gonna drive some of that in there. Not that much. I'll show you how much. About that much. All right. Easy as that. Grapevines. More grapevines. I have quite a few grapevines growing. Took a bunch of cuttings. We got one here. We got to go. This stuff is pretty dry. I will have to soak it in. There we go. I think I'll hit it with water. All right. Let's put some of these in here. This is going to be a jalapeno. Boom, drive it deep. Take off the bottom leaves. One more maybe. Fill it around. All right. This one here, the poblano. We're going to take off those bottom leaves. Turn you a little bit. Drive you pretty deep in there. All right. Red hot chili pepper. Goes over here. Now look at this one. Look at the leafy growth on this. It's got a lot more leaves than, let's say this one, the Anaheim. See the difference between the amount of leaves on the stem? Very interesting. We're gonna trim those up a little bit. Take off the bottom leaves. All right. Pound that one in. Okay. Serrano. Take off these bottom leaves. One more. Maybe this one. All right, that looks good. Put it in deep. Okay, I've got one more here. That is last year's. This one here. This is last year's jalapeno. Wintered over. 1, 2, 3, 4. That'll make 5. Oh, 6 back in there where that hanging basket is. I gotta get back inside there. Get that hanging basket off of there. All right, we'll fertilize that in. This one here. Oh, let's take the bottom leaves off. One more. All right, now we'll drive this deep in there. Pack around. Okay. Last one over here. Anaheim. Almost forgot to take the bottom leaves off. Push that down in there deep. Okay. Water in. If you look closely at these boxes that I have, these milk crates, they have a liner on the inside of it. I'm going to show you that liner. I go down to the grocery store. Our local grocery store is Winco, and I buy the little bags, grocery bags, reusable grocery bags, and I just turn them inside out. And fill it up with soil, put it inside here, and that's what gives me the grow bag. but I like it nice and straight, and that's why I put them inside these boxes. Works out pretty well. So we will keep an eye on these. One more over there. It's a little crowded in here right now, but kind of just waiting for spring to kick in. It's still only April, it's still cold outside. So I have a lot of patio pots that are sitting in here waiting for warmer weather, warmer days. A lot of geraniums, petunias. My dahlias have yet to be planted. It's just too cold outside. I have a lot of grape rooting cuttings that I took last year that are getting potted up into a little bigger size, getting a little bit of fertilizer put on them. Well, that's going to do it for me. All right, you guys have a good day.